Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have received a mail call. I received a package that I was waiting for a while. Sorry for my English, I'm not native and I don't speak really good, but I will try to do my best. So I thought that maybe we can open it together and see what's inside. Okay, so here it goes. Let's see. I'm so excited. I was waiting for this package something like 6 months because of this pandemic thing going around. So I have a lot of sets that I need to catch up with. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the main cars I was waiting for are those two. So for me, those are really beautiful. The amount of details is crazy on these things. Later we will open all the models and we will see it closely. So this one is made by Inno 64 and it's the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem. Of course it has a real riders on it, back tempos, front tempos as well. Oh look, this is interesting. It's like carved in there. Okay, moving on, we have also for Inno 64 the Mercedes Evo 2, the 190e model. So I always wanted this model also from Hot Wheels, but I didn't catch one when it first appeared in car culture. I wanted so bad the black one, the plain black, and all the others with all the stickers I didn't like it so much. So in the end I ended buying this one from Inno 64, and I think really it's better than the Hot Wheels one. Okay, then I really don't remember exactly what I was buying a while ago. So oh, okay, this Team Transport with the old Mercedes 300 SL. I didn't had this one. Actually is the only model I wanted from this set. So we will be opening this one too. Okay, this one is, oh, okay, this is a really old model, but I didn't have it in my collection. Is the Punisher van. I'm curious if this door maybe closes or it just sticks like this and it doesn't do anything, but we will see it when we will open it. Okay, oh, and also if I remember I bought the dust charger because I didn't have that one, so maybe it's inside in here. Okay, let's see what we have here. Another box. Oh boy, oh boy. Sorry again boys for the mispronunciation of some words, but I really try to do my best, and this is a one try video. I will not cut and do something like that because I think this is more natural. Okay, so inside of here I have this Fast and Furious set that I didn't have in my collection. So the 61 Impala, Chevy Nova 66. Okay, from Fast 5. And the Impala is from the Fate of the Furious. Okay, this one I really like it. it's so mean as a car, don't you agree? I mean, I know it's a boxy car, but if I will ever see this in my rear view mirror, for sure, maybe I was a little bit intimidated, so I don't think I will see this thing on the roads here in Italy, and that's a shame. Okay, the Gran Torino. I think most of you guys have this set. Okay, then, oh, this one. This one, I love this one. This car was driven by Brian in the first Fast and Furious. It was the undercover car that he was using during his short period as worker at the tuner's age, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is really nice. Then, okay, Subaru WRX from, what is this? The Fate of the Furious also. And for sure we have the Honda Civic. I really am curious if in the future maybe Hot Wheels will make another version of the Honda Civic that will be cleaner than this one. I mean for me it's really like it should be a Honda Civic. It is not it's not too busy as how can I say it, as decals as I know it's from the 2000 tuning scene, so it could be normal also to see it with stickers and sponsors on it, but also this one reminds me on the Spoon model that was made from the Spoon factory. Okay, so this one appeared in the movie, but for just a scene, if I remember correctly. Was driven by a guy that was escaping from Brian. He was chasing him for some informations, but it is nice to have in the collection, why not? Okay, so this one I love it because maybe because I love a lot the character from the Too Fast Too Furious. I can remember the name of the guy, the Puerto Rican guy, if I'm not wrong. I can't remember. It was Tej? No, it wasn't Tej. Anyways, I really like this car because I know this car is the same Mazda RX-7 from the first Fast and Furious that was driven by Dominic, and they reused the car for the second movie, but obviously they have changed the body kit and the decals. It's a shame that Hot Wheels don't also copy the body kits that was in the movie, but at least we have the decals. Okay, and the last one, this one I really don't remember in which Fast and Furious was involved, but it is nice because it is simple. It is a mean car. The artwork is also looking great. Okay, let's see what we have in this big box. In this box, I think a lot of you guys already had what will be inside, but for me it's the first time having it, so I'm really excited because one thing is when you see it in the other videos on YouTube, and another thing is when you get it in real life. So I bought two of those. Let's see here, and voila. Wow. In first person, I must admit it looks nicer than what I've seen on Instagram and on YouTube. is really cool. And also I like a lot the orange Supra because it is really brighter than the old model. I will make a comparison video. This is the back. I want to show you. I have in here, I think, the first Supra that appeared in the Hot Wheels series. Okay, so I don't know, this has more details than the other one. Let's see. From what can I see this thing? Okay. Oh, so the older one has the silver spoiler, then that is better in my opinion. Okay. But the new one has real riders and the black grille. Anyways, we should open it to see the difference better. Okay, so in this box I have another set. Yes. Okay, so I have two of those. And let's see the last one. Last box. Okay, car culture set. 69 Chevelle SS. Custom Nissan hard body, also known as Nissan King. In Europe you will find this model as Nissan King. Custom Mustang. Sadly I don't have the one from Gone in 60 Seconds, the silver one, but at least I have one of those models, even if is in orange, but it's okay. Now this bug is really nice. I mean, the details are crazy for me. I'm not a Volkswagen fan, but this is really nice. I like it. It also has that retro vibe to it, because those cars here in Europe, you can see it also in a rat race style, not just a retro. So this one is more appropriated to the car, in my opinion. The Supra, okay, this one, what does it says? Nitto, oh okay. Nitto, it was a tire company? Or maybe I'm wrong. Hope I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so I ordered also that Sunny truck from Japan Historics Free. I didn't have this one in my collection. And the Mazda Cosmo. Now this is a legendary car. It has such an unique design to it. Beautiful. And Circuit Legends Mazda 787B. Okay, the last two models, what we have here. Oh, there they are, the two Ghost Rider Chargers. Okay, so that is for today. I hope you like the video. In the next days we will open all those models, so stick around if you want to take a look with me. Thank you very much for watching, and see you to the next time. Bye bye.